Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM practice course. In that lecture we're going to talk about how can we handle that kind of product. As you can see here, I created my face toolpath and my contour toolpath, and after that I create some drilling operation before our surface rough pocket operation. This is the surface roughing, and then this is the surface pocket operation. And after that we're gonna see, actually at that point we try to create some entry point for our process. And after that you can see the actually 3D high-speed waterline toolpath. And after that we can see raster toolpath for like this one, okay. And after that, as a final, you can see some contour toolpath for this slot. Okay, that's it. You're gonna see all the detail and the mistakes here. And after that, you can also see the solution. How can we see our mistakes and turn back. Okay, thank you very much.